Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Then, fold this point to the center line like this. Make the same fold with the other side. Open the last fold and fold it back, aligning it with these edges. Repeat this fold on the other side. These represent Yoda's ears. Then, flip it around and fold the top point down like this. Make the same fold with the opposite point. Flip it over and fold this edge inward like this. Make the same fold on the other side. Now that you have the head shape, you can draw his face.